Hello to all the students. Today we are going to discuss reaction of metals with acids and other reaction of magnesium with hydrochloric acid, and it forms magnesium chloride and hydrogen. This reaction is an exothermic reaction. In this, the hydrogen which is evolved, that hydrogen gas can be tested. We bring a burning matchstick near the mouth of the test tube and the hydrogen gas produces a pop sound. Similarly, metals like aluminium, zinc, iron, these metals also react with dilute hydrochloric acid to produce hydrogen gas and the corresponding salt. In case of aluminium, aluminium chloride and hydrogen is formed. In case of zinc, zinc chloride and hydrogen is formed. In case of iron, iron chloride and hydrogen is formed. These metals, copper, silver, gold, they do not react with acid. They are less reactive than hydrogen, as we see in the reactivity series. Now, there is a very good question which can be asked to you, that is why less reactive metals do not react with acids and water. The reason is that these are less reactive than hydrogen, so they are unable to displace hydrogen. The next very important question is why aluminum containers are used to transport nitric acid. This question is very important because here we are using a metal container to transport acid. The reason is that nitric acid, which is a strong oxidizing agent, it oxidizes the aluminium to aluminium oxide. Aluminium oxide forms a protective layer on aluminium, and thus the underlying aluminium does not get affected by the nitric acid. Reaction of metals with nitric acid. When metals react with nitric acid, they do not evolve hydrogen gas. The reason is that the hydrogen gas which is evolved, it is converted to water because nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. But there are exceptions like magnesium and manganese. These react with very dilute nitric acid to produce hydrogen gas. Let's see the reaction of magnesium and manganese with nitric acid. With very dilute nitric acid, magnesium reacts in this way and forms magnesium nitrate. Manganese forms manganese nitrate and hydrogen gas. With dilute nitric acid, nitric oxide gas is formed. With concentrated nitric acid, nitrogen dioxide gas is formed. The aqua regia is prepared by adding concentrated HCl and concentrated nitric acid in the ratio 3:1. It is a highly corrosive liquid which can dissolve gold, and the polishing of the gold by the jewelers is done by aqua regia. It is removing the upper layer of the gold so that the gold starts shining. Reaction of metals with other salts. You know about displacement reaction. Iron, when it reacts with copper sulfate, it forms iron sulfate and it forms copper. And because of this reaction, the color of copper sulfate, which is bluish green, changes to light green. And we can also observe the deposition of reddish brown copper in that reaction mixture. When copper reacts with silver nitrate, it forms copper nitrate and silver separates out. In this, the colorless solution of silver nitrate converts to bluish color when aluminium reacts with copper sulfate. the blue color of copper sulfate solution changes to colorless, and reddish brown copper separates out. The metals, they react with oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapors, other gases, and produce some compounds. That is why the metals appear dull. Very good example is rusting of iron, where iron oxide is formed by the reaction with water and oxygen present in the atmosphere. Another is formation of copper carbonate. The next is the formation of aluminum oxide on aluminum articles. Similarly, silver forms silver sulfide. Anodizing. Beta, anodizing is a process to deposit a thick layer of aluminum oxide on aluminum articles artificially by electrolytic method, and it is done on some of the utensils also, cookware also, because of which the aluminum articles are protected from corrosion. In anodizing, the lead or aluminum forms the cathode, while the aluminum article forms the anode. Sulfuric acid is the electrolytic solution. When the electricity is passed through it, then the aluminum on the aluminum article, it reacts with oxygen to form aluminum oxide protective layer. Strategic metals are those metals which are used in the manufacture of defense equipments or spaceships. The examples are manganese, titanium, and zirconium. They are used for defense purposes due to the following reason: they are hard, they are light, and they do not get corroded easily. The most expensive and radioactive metal is uranium, which is used in nuclear power plants to produce electricity. Haber's process is a process in which iron is used as catalyst. Haber's process is used to produce ammonia by the reaction of nitrogen gas, which we get from air, and hydrogen gas produced from the natural gas. A metal platinum, it is used in Ostwald's process as catalyst to form nitric acid. Reaction of sodium with chlorine forms sodium chloride. Reaction of sodium with hydrogen forms sodium hydride. Reaction of iron with copper oxide forms iron oxide and copper. This concludes today's topics, and I hope you all must have understood it well.